channel, so let's get into it. I'm going to start by using this facial toner to cleanse the area before we begin. So here's how the sugar looks. I got my logo from the esthetician, and I used the microwave to warm it up for about 30 seconds. Here are the instruments that I'll be using: a spoolie, a eye brush, and this is the consistency of the sugar wax. So I usually start by brushing which eyebrow I'll be working on first. As you can see, I have a lot of new growths, so we'll be getting rid of those using two methods, both the sugaring method and the razor. So just a quick tip, when you are ripping off this, you rip it in the opposite direction, which is the direction that your hair would exit the cuticle. And you hold the area taut to reduce damages caused to the skin. So here I got a toothpick to go in a little bit closer. The stick I was using was not as precise as I would have liked it to be. So this toothpick was like the perfect point for me to get the wax exactly where I needed it to be. So that's a quick tip. You see that part of the wax that got on my eyebrow? Just rub it off gently. Make sure that none is still on the eyebrow before you apply it, because you do not want to rip off your entire eyebrow by mistake. Towards the end, I like to actually go back and shape up the ends and the front section of my eyebrows, because I feel like the razor gives me a little bit more of a control on it. So that's why I like to go over the eyebrow using the razor. First eyebrow is complete and we're ready to move on. So as you can see, my first and my second eyebrow my left eyebrow tends to grow thicker than my right eyebrow, which is why I have more to work with on the left side, which I really hate sometimes, because now I have to make the left thick eyebrow look like the right thinner eyebrow, and that really bothers me. I'm going to go in with the same eyebrow shaping blade, and I'm going to make this eyebrow as close to the right eyebrow as I possibly can. And this is always like my biggest problem, trying to get them as close as possible, just like I said, one is naturally thicker than the next, and unfortunately the juicy eyebrow has to suffer. So I'm just comparing both. I think I got as close as I can without making a big mistake. So I'm gonna rock with what I got. I think they are sisters, not twins, but that's fine. So now we're gonna work on unibrow. I don't grow a lot of hair, and like I said, I have thinner hair. So just know that hair is there, but they're very thin. But while I have the wax out, I'm just going to get rid of that as well. Well guys, that's it for my eyebrow maintenance routine. Thanks for watching.